Hello dear friends, hello our client. Today 12 September 2022. Now I show how assembly moulder. We have frame, this, two side, and right also. After we fix it, this 4. After we this short 2, little more long, this 2, this and this, and 4, this 4. This is change size. This is not like this. 6 millimeter change, different. When we have this frame, we fix it. We put belt and this shaft inside and here. This is screw must be here in this position. After we take this shaft with motor reductor, this shaft Z, we put inside, fix this bearing with this, and this fix it 4. After we take shaft with knife and fix it this 2. And we, when fix it main shaft, this we like this with this screw. When normal, but not big, little must be less. We put inside this super shaft, this inside between, inside put and fix it here and fix it here. We have 3, and after we fix it this, that side also, and fix it this. And fix it this here. And forget this put inside. This is ready. This ready. After put this and this, look, this and this. Three sides. This up, 4 and 2. This 2 and 2. This and ready. Look, this jet normal must be all normal, and look before start, and look, this must be normal, and this must be tired and I didn't know how English. You understand, I think. Okay, see you again. Next video I show how assembly Typhoon Pro Max. Bye bye.